काम को मिला और फिल्म के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है एंड आई थिंक जो हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं फॉक्स सर्चलाइट उनकी वजह से है एंड वो सब टाइम स्क्वायर पे दे शोड द वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो इट फेल्ट वेरी गुड आई फेल्ट वेरी प्राउड एज एन इंडियन एंड I think there'll be a lot more opportunities like this for our country and it's recognized because of the country. I happen to be just the right person in the right place.
Shahrukh, the big controversy, of course, is the Sena targeting you every single day for the last 3 days. What do you have to say on everything that's been happening while you've been away?
What can I say? See, anything I will say will be misconstrued and will be further turned around. I think there is either there's a misconception to what I've said. I have only said what every Indian should say. I believe in the way our constitution has been taught to us. Or let me not even use big words. I haven't said anything which is harmful or and I've said that all of us should have. I'm pro relationship with countries. I think it is. It's true that I'm pro some other country compared to my own country. How is that possible? How can I be pro to anything else more than Mumbai? It has given me reason to celebrate than anyone else in the world, I think. I am what I am because of Mumbai. And then it's very... I would like everyone in Mumbai. I'm sure all Mumbaikars would like everyone to be happy. And I think all the groups would like Mumbaikars to be happy. So why should we have this kind of stress where we are going to stop a movie? I think if there is a misunderstanding, let's be gracious, we'll talk it out. I think it's complete misunderstanding. I think everyone believes that. I think all the groups also believe that we should have try and have good relationships with every country. I'm pro good relationships.
So, are you actually going to go to Markashri to have a talk on
if I'm invited, I've gone and met Balasaheb many times. I enjoy his company. I've spent time with Uddhav ji. I enjoy the company. I've gone there, spent some personal time. And if they call me, yes. Whenever Balasaheb's called, I've always gone and met him. He's a senior leader, and so I go and have... Ek second. If you guys ask a question, then listen to it. Otherwise, don't ask. So I'd like to... I mean, I've been there so often. I've been for the functions. But yes, I'd like to go and have a drink with him or something. But I don't think for this matter there is any reason to be going and asking for... but if my stand needs to be explained to someone, I've already explained it. So I don't think there's an issue on that front. Okay, last then. We'll meet in the evening and talk.
Everyone wants to know that you said Pakistani players should be given a chance. But then why didn't you buy Pakistani players?
You have to understand the rules yourself. Please find out. Every time you ask this question, there is only one slot available. Tab and Saurabh has to decide. So you have to find out the rules. You can't arbitrarily keep on taking players. You can only have a maximum limit. We wanted Abdul Razak. His wrist was hurt. That's what I was told by my coach at 12 in the night. So we have, then obviously the next option is we want a pace bowler. But there are rules. You can't take more than that. And it is not. And nobody was ever told that you can't or you should not. But I'm just saying the atmosphere which is prevailing everywhere. Would you? So we have to accept it. We have to accept it as a generation. I want every youngster. That's what I said. We have to accept this is a situation. Not blame XYZ for the situation. We all are responsible.